a baby, my mom would put me in the crib and put me to sleep with Bach and Mozart. So that was, I was indoctrinated at an early age. Come 5th grade, we had a woman named Amanda Sellers come to our library. And she gave a presentation playing SpongeBob SquarePants, Addams Family, Pink Panther on the violin, and I was like, sold, where can I sign up? I then went into the orchestra, and when everybody chose their instruments, they chose violin, cello, bass, but no violas. And so when it came to me, I was super hipster when I was 12 years old. So I was like, I gotta play the viola. Nobody's doing this. It has to be mine. And so, as a lot of people say, the rest was history. I finally found an instrument where I could really express myself in a way that I felt was my own. I had kind of like an end of college crisis when I was finishing up my undergrad. I was like, wow, I've been training so hard, but oh my goodness, who am I gonna play for? Like, who cares that I play viola? Like, who on earth cares? It was funny, I was doing affiliate marketing with a company for a long time. And we went to a conference, and serendipitously, it was in Columbus, Ohio, and there was a speaker there. I'm not affiliated with the business anymore, but that speaker there kind of changed my entire world. His name is Gary Vaynerchuk. He has a multi-million-dollar business that consults the biggest brands you know of, GE, Toyota, on how to run their social media. He says because of that, because of the advent of that technology, everybody is a media company. And so I was like, obviously I'm a violist, so I need audiences, so what do I need to do to garner an audience? And I bought his book, Jab, 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 Right Hook, and I learned how to create content on Instagram, and I began doing Instagram videos and pictures and really creating a brand and sharing what I do with the world. There's something to be said about social verification. When I'm around musicians, when I'm going to concerts, I want to play my instrument. When I'm not, when I'm at home by myself, when I'm just practicing, I'm like, what's the point? But when I'm around people, when I see other people doing that, it really lights a fire within me. And I think if I am that person for somebody who lives in an area where they don't have a symphony orchestra, or a country that doesn't even have violin or viola or cello teachers, and they can see the content that I'm doing, and I can inspire them to do that, then I'm gonna keep doing it. Like that's really what matters. It's not even about me anymore. I think because we're becoming more global, because we are telling stories and sharing stories on a global platform now, I think it really implicitly creates a space where we all can see, even though you speak a different language, and if we were in the same room, I wouldn't be able to understand you, we still have fundamental things that we have in common. And therefore, because of that, I don't think you're an enemy. You don't need permission to do what you want to do. If it really makes your life worth living, cut the crap, just do it. Just don't be afraid. Dive right in. Even though you don't know everything, that's okay. Like, just start, get started. If you can get started and learn as you do it, you will become better. And there's no creator out there who is completely satisfied with what they're doing. They're doing the best they can in that moment, and they're always looking for ways to consistently improve over the lifetime of whatever they're doing. So just get started now. If it's not great, that's okay. You're gonna look back on it in 5 years and giggle at how bad your videos are. That's okay. But 5 years from now, your videos are gonna be much better. So dive in.